Have you ever seen sand flow like water? No CGI. This is real. And it happens in the US. In parts of Utah and Arizona, some sand dunes look totally normal, but step on them, and the sand starts flowing downhill, just like liquid. It's called dry quicksand, but unlike the movie kind that swallows people, this stuff is totally safe. The grains are denser than you, so even if you sink, it stops at your waist. What makes it move like that? It's all about the sand shape. Each grain is perfectly round and smooth, like tiny marbles. Just a little vibration, and the whole slope shifts downward. In Great Sand Dunes National Park, visitors actually surf down these dunes. The sand flows with you as you slide, soft, warm, and surprisingly fast. It's like snowboarding, but on sand that moves like waves. And here's the wildest part. These dunes can sing. When people slide fast, the sand grains vibrate together, creating a deep, eerie hum, like a plane flying low overhead. Scientists call it booming sand.